And seeing the multitudes, he went up into a mountain. And when he was set, his disciples came unto him. And he opened his mouth and taught them, saying, Blessed are the poor in spirit, for theirs is the kingdom of heaven. Blessed are they that mourn, for they shall be comforted. There is a progression in these first words of Christ. He does not begin with strength. He begins with need. Blessed are the poor in spirit. To be poor in spirit is to recognize that we have nothing of eternal value apart from God. It is the surrender of self-sufficiency. It is humility without disguise. The kingdom of heaven belongs not to the self-assured, but to the spiritually dependent. And then he continues, Blessed are they that mourn. This mourning is not despair. It is not hopeless grief. It is the sorrow that comes when the heart sees clearly. When we recognize our poverty before God, we also begin to grieve what separates us from Him. We mourn sin. We mourn distance. We mourn the brokenness of the world around us. And yet, Christ calls this blessed. Why? Because mourning that turns toward God always meets mercy. For they shall be comforted. This is not a possibility. It is a promise. Comfort is not earned. It is given. The same Savior who speaks these words is the one who fulfills them. He draws near to the contrite heart. He binds the broken. He restores the humble. In Lent, we are invited into this holy movement. First, humility. Then, honest sorrow. Then, divine comfort. The mountain sermon begins not with achievement, but with surrender. And in surrender, comfort comes. May we be poor in spirit. May we mourn what grieves the heart of God. And may we rest in the promise that we shall be comforted.